So in this Realtor.ca tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to find townhouses for sale here on Realtor.ca. So once Realtor.ca is opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left, make sure that the Home tab is selected. Once that is done, go to the top and select your location. So for this example, I have the Quebec area, the Montreal area as my example. Once that is done, go to the top right and press on filters. Then just scroll down, make sure that residential and for sale is selected. Scroll down to building, press on building. Then where it says building type, press on any. Once you're here, go to where it says row/townhouse and press on that. Now what it's going to be doing is actually showing you guys the listings that are for sale that are relative to townhouses. So all of these listings right here would be townhouse listings. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to find townhouses for sale on Realtor.ca. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.